Good morning. How are you today?
Here he comes.
Hello. Are you a different one? We're just here to hang on to you. Isn't that nice? Want to get a little closer to the camera?
Oh, close enough. I got a plenty good zoom.
Okay. Are you hungry? Got any friends? Look how gorgeous this is in here. We're here with our bird friends. I feel like Tom Jones at the end of Mars Attacks. You remember that?
No.
Yeah, it's Tom Jones. He puts his arm out and birds, he starts singing. Here we come. I got an incoming. You see that one over there? Can you see him over?
No, I don't see him.
Just kind of scope out the tree there. Kind of a low tree. Here he comes. Incoming. Incoming. Ooh, this is a good one.
I got him.
Hello. Good morning. Tell your friends. There's more where they came from. Here comes one. Hello. Hello. We're here. Good morning. How are you today? Pretty good. Was that a big one? Would you like it smaller or is that too big? That's 2. That's 3. Thank you for not being greedy.